I'm excited to be here. We were actually just at Toyota, and without them knowing that I was on my way here afterwards, they were talking about how high quality of employees they get coming out of this program here. They were bragging on you.
That's awesome.
Oh, really? Okay.
And it was not like I was supposed to show up here and send that message, but it was just part of their brief.
The thing about North Carolina, the reason we were well off for 2 centuries was tobacco. Fluke-cured tobacco and burley. Having said that, for thin soils, i.e. not much organic matter, okay, we need to come up with technologies now that we're transitioning out of tobacco that still have a profitability for farmers right there with alternative crops, specialty crops. And part of that is using digital technologies and AI. And our students are part of that. And so we provide technical know-how. We're using AI and digital technologies in agriculture so they're ready. Even if you don't even go into the ag sector, it's pretty much the same type of technology. This is for looking at hyperspectral, high bird's eye view. Okay, so you're getting a general image of the field for weeds. Then you can have a smaller drone, and this dog can go sniff through the rows individually because it's looking, oh wow, all right. Well, thank you, all right, now that's impressive. Yes.
Use this as well to pull milk, look at hormone levels, so the students are getting trained on that. But the collection of the data, AI, using big data analysis, so there's lots of impacts by this.
I've had an opportunity to visit many universities for the precision ag programs. Really enjoyed being able to see these skills. Thank you.
I could eat like 10 of these right now. Yes, sir. But I won't. I'm just gonna have one.